Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting your device ready and opening Google Maps. That means unlocked, online, and signed into your account so settings persist. Once done, make sure device audio is on and grant microphone access when Maps prompts you, because voice guidance and assistant features require that permission. Next, tap the profile or settings icon at the top right to reach navigation options. Do this now so you can enable voice assistant features in the next step without interruptions. Now inside settings, choose navigation settings to access the voice controls. Toggle guidance volume and pick the voice language you prefer, because clear routing prompts depend on these choices. If you want hands-free commands, enable Google Assistant integration or the Hey Google hot word. That lets you start routes and ask for Ida without touching the screen. Make sure Play Voice over Bluetooth is set correctly if you use a car stereo, so audio goes to the right speaker once you begin driving. Finish by testing. Enter a nearby destination and tap Start to confirm voice guidance plays, and the assistant responds to one or two simple voice commands. If you hear nothing, make sure system volume and navigation volume aren't muted, that Do Not Disturb isn't silencing guidance, and that Bluetooth output is assigned correctly. If problems continue, restart the app or device and update Google Maps. This often resolves glitches, and if it doesn't, check microphone permissions and reinstall the app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.